Anyway, so I'm going to show you girls today how to get rid of that wrinkle between your eye. I have a very, very deep wrinkle there, and I've been debating on getting Botox, but I know Botox makes the muscle weaker, and so anyways, I wanted to get rid of this wrinkle. It's been driving me crazy, and you'll see pictures that I posted, and it looks like I have a butt between my eyes. Anyways, this is a homeopathic way, so all you will need is duct tape. You will need cardboard. I use the middle of a toilet paper roll. And you will need whatever firming cream you use. Very, very simple. So what you do is you cut out a piece of cardboard in that shape, just like that, just a little tiny, tiny piece, right? Then you get your duct tape and you cut it in this shape. Just like this. Okay, so you're gonna cut two of your duct tapes, two pieces of duct tape, just like that. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna wash your face, get off any excess oil. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your firming cream, right? And you're going to obviously rub it all over, but we're gonna have a little excess right on directly that wrinkle. You guys see it? Okay. So what you're gonna do, check it out, is you're gonna pull tight the skin there like it was when you were a baby. It was tight and firm. The reason okay, look, wait. Then you're gonna push this down right on top of there. The reason that you pull tight and firm is because you want to get that wrinkle flat, okay? But if I wore it just like this, I still would be able to wrinkle it because the duct tape is so thin. So what you're gonna do, and the reason I cut it in this shape is because I don't wanna mess with my eyebrows. Okay, so you're gonna get another piece, right? Just gonna chop off the edges, just like this, making that dot, making that point right in the middle, see? Just like that. But on this one, you're gonna turn it around and you're going to add the cardboard, because this cardboard is going to prevent you from wrinkling your forehead. Now we're going to take this and we're going to put it right on top. Just like that. Now, watch. I'm going to try to wrinkle, right? Okay. It doesn't allow me to wrinkle my forehead. You can see that I'm trying to wrinkle because obviously I have a little bit right there, but it doesn't allow me because that cardboard is so tight. Now you wear this overnight and you sleep. When you wake up, it's like bam, presto. And this actually is really super, super tight on the skin, but as you sleep, especially if you have oily skin, as you sleep, you tend to have excess oils that come out when you sleep. And so this bad boy will just slide right off, and then you will have a nice, smooth forehead. I swear to you guys, I didn't believe it. This works like very, very well. And I don't have to go spend hundreds of dollars on Botox. I'm gonna videotape throughout the day to show you guys that this wrinkle actually stays away a lot more than if I didn't do this method. You know, because typically a lot of videos they can say, oh, it looks so beautiful and this is what happened and what do you like it? And then halfway through the day, it doesn't look the same. But this stayed looking like this for a very, very long time, almost throughout the whole day. Obviously not the whole day because I do wrinkle my forehead, but it prevents me and it gives me it lets me, how should I say, this method really makes you aware that you're not supposed to be wrinkling your forehead that much and stop squinting. So go ahead and take these tapes off. You see that they come off much easier once you slept because your skin starts producing oils. Let me zoom in on this one. Look at that. Isn't that freaking awesome? This was the first time me trying this technique on the upper wrinkles, and you can see how easy the tape comes off my skin and how much the wrinkle has decreased in size. This is my biggest wrinkle right here. you take it off and you see there's still a line, but it's a lot softer. A little, no. That's where the wrinkle is. So let me go ahead and wrinkle my forehead like I normally would. Those are where the wrinkles are normally. But you cannot see them very well. Okay guys, so obviously you saw that my forehead looks very, very smooth. I am very oily right now because this is how my skin looks when I wake up. I produce a tremendous amount of oil when I sleep. You saw how the tapes came off really easily, but I'm looking at my forehead and it looks amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face and be right back, take all this oil off and do another close up so you guys can see so you guys can see how it looks without all this oil on my face. Okay guys, so I just washed my face and this is what it looks like. Check it out. My skin looks flawless, doesn't it? At least my forehead looks really, really good. I'm gonna zoom one more time in. Okay guys, so this is my forehead. You saw how defined all those wrinkles were yesterday? Doesn't it look amazing? Go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and wrinkle or force my forehead a wrinkle for you guys. And that's where the wrinkles would be. Now check it out. Wow, I've never actually, oh wow. I have never done this technique on my forehead wrinkles, on the ones above over here. And I actually think, looking at a mirror, that my forehead looks flippin' amazing. This one looks awesome, but you know, if I did this every night, I think I would be wrinkle free on my forehead, but I'm a little bit too lazy to do it every night. But my forehead looks amazing. The lines up here, the duct tape worked extremely well.